My name is Dr. Andrea Tee, and I'm super excited to announce being the founding principal of AMS Nellis that's opening up where Nevada Prep is currently serving our community. This year, there's a ton to look forward to, and we've already got started off to a rolling start where looking at setting up for a successful school year so that every scholar feels seen, valued, and heard. Some of the things that you can look forward to expecting from me this year is holding your scholars up to high expectations, but not leaving them there alone, and also bringing up that high support and wrapping our community around each of our scholars. What we know is it takes a village to ensure that every child has the brightest future possible, and that is what we're going to be working for here at AMS Nellis moving forward. So really focusing on academics as a high priority, making sure that we are there and present and engaged in our school community, and that every child feels accepted and a sense of belongingness each and every day that they arrive. Enrollment is open right now, so go ahead and visit us at enrollams.org and get your child started today.